Big news, Insta360 could finally be stepping into the drone game. Yes, the same Insta360 known for pushing boundaries in the action and 360-degree camera world might soon be taking flight, literally. While DJI gears up to launch its own 360 camera, Insta360 appears to be raising the stakes with something even bolder, a full-fledged drone. A fresh leak from the highly credible Igor Bogdanov just dropped, and if it's accurate, and it certainly looks convincing, we might be looking at Insta360's very first drone, possibly even two. And these aren't your average drones with a camera slapped on. From the looks of it, they're custom-built machines designed from the ground up. The leaked image reveals two drones wrapped in the familiar zebra stripe camouflage, likely meant to disguise the final design, but there's still plenty to notice. The drone on the left appears compact and aerodynamic, featuring ducted front propellers. That configuration typically suggests a performance-oriented design, possibly inspired by FPV or Cinewhoop drones. And yes, the Insta360 branding is clearly visible on the body. Meanwhile, the drone on the right has anti-gravity printed across the top, likely a code name, but it definitely adds to the intrigue. Its overall build feels thoughtfully familiar. Foldable arms, a symmetrical motor layout, and likely support for GPS and obstacle avoidance sensors. It looks purpose-built for smooth, stable flight and high-quality footage. As for the size, it's surprisingly modest. This could be aimed squarely at fans of DJI's Mini or Air series, lightweight, highly portable, yet packed with performance. What truly makes this development exciting is the possibility of Insta360's own technology being seamlessly integrated into the drone. Think flow state stabilization, AI-powered reframing, and their remarkably user-friendly editing tools, all built right in. If they manage to bring all of that together in a drone, it could redefine how creators capture and share aerial content. So if this leak proves accurate, Insta360 may be gearing up for a bold entry into the drone market, one that DJI and other major players can't afford to overlook. Now, all eyes are on the official specs and launch date, because this reveal has definitely sparked buzz. For more updates like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and keep smiling.